I really like alfresco eating. There's nothing I like doing in the summer than sitting outdoors eating some lovely fresh fish dishes. So I've got 5 different shellfish here, and I'm going to suggest some dishes to go with them. First of all, monkfish. Well, what I like to do is cook monkfish in the oven with New Season's garlic, just that's big bulbous garlic that you get this time of year. Lovely dish. Next, prawns. Well, I've developed a way from Mexico of deep frying prawns in coconut batter. It may sound odd, but it's delicious, and I serve that with an aioli garlic mayonnaise. Scallops, still a classic in all our restaurants, is scallops under the grill with coriander and hazelnut butter. Delicious. Next, mackerel. Well, you could just grill it. I love it plainly grilled. But I picked up this rather nice dish in Goa in India for mackerel rashado. And basically what you do is make a curry paste, your favourite curry paste, and stuff the mackerel with it and then grill it. Oily fish like mackerel goes really, really well with Indian curry type flavours. Finally, cockles, a very simple dish which I picked up in Portugal. They're just steamed open with garlic, a little bit of chilli, olive oil and fresh coriander. It's as simple as that, but you'll love it. Well, there you have it. But all of this seafood and much more is available from our online fishmongers at rickstein.com.